How often to write articles and where should I keep them? On the one hand, I don't want to have to submit more than one article a day. I use a posting utility, but yet I still have to log into each site and submit to each site. But on the other hand, there are days when I come up with many different subjects, different ideas, that would make great articles. I have created a specific directory to keep these articles organized, but there still is the problem of having to open an article and using the copy and paste function, having to copy and paste the subject, the article body, and then having to go through my article for the keywords. I have a great solution that solves all of this. I am using a free utility where I can create articles on my desktop, and with a click of a button that article will be automatically posted to my blog. Now when it comes time to submit another article, I'll just submit one of these posts from my blog. If you want to ever know what utilities I use, just email me, and I will tell you. I used to include all of these in my articles, posts, but some of these article directories then think I am promoting these products and they don't approve my article. I have learned this past week that writing and submitting articles is the fastest way to become known as an authority. I created several articles this past weekend and submitted them right away. This was on Saturday, and by Tuesday of this week, when doing a search on my name, I saw my articles with the links back to my site. I have spent money on solo ads, created a Google AdWords campaign, joined several traffic exchanges, posted on forums, and when all is said and done, the creating and submitting of articles so far has been the fastest. I still have not seen any sales, but I expect that when end users read my stories that they will come to my site and follow the links I have there to my other sites. This, hopefully, will produce sales for me. Another post I will be making today will be on using traffic exchanges and how to get the most from them. A famous book said that in order to see results in this world, you have to be like a purple cow, you need to stand out from everybody else. I consider myself to be a purple cow. I do things differently than most people, and I will always post what I learn and discover. Another great benefit of writing and publishing articles is that I can use all the links as reference in a special section of my resume. I am always looking at new opportunities, and if I want to gain some work writing content, I can use these links as references.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.